So I have a crank no start on 2003 2500 HD with a 6.6 liter diesel in there. So I changed the fuel filter and it had the fuel filter housing. But before I do any more work on the fuel, what we're gonna do is hook the scanner up really quick and see what's going on. So we'll just put the key on. Okay, so we're gonna put the scanner on, and I tried to pressurize the gas. Okay, listed current DTCs. So we have the fuel pressure regulator control circuit. We have the fuel pressure sensor circuit reading a high voltage, and we have the lost communication with the fuel injection control. So we're not going to be able to do anything on the start if we can't get those resolved. So I went over the engine, and there's two bail connectors right there. Just connected those and I checked the pins. Now what I did is I came over to the fuse block and I checked all the fuses to make sure they were all good. And the three primarily I was looking for were these ones right here. And it says right here what they are on a diesel. So you just want to make sure all those are good. So where it has the 1, 2, 3, the ETCM, the EDU, the fuel HT, so you see all that. So then what I did is I went underneath, and you can see that there's a bit of a dog's breakfast under here. So can you see that the wires are all broken and shredded? So the pink wire is there. So I'm not really sure what happened on here. It looks like it's sitting on a bad location. It could have become overheated. Even that positive wire there is pretty corroded. So I'm gonna have to spend a couple hours under here cleaning this mess up. This gray and black wire is the ground to the fuel injection control module. So right now it has no ground, so that's going to cause a big problem. So we repaired this wire here by just adding onto the ground wire for the fuel control module, which is the gray and black. And now we're going to go around fixing all those other wires so we don't have a problem in the future. Go over and you can see it starts like normal.